Good morning, students. I hope that you have enjoyed your holidays. Now this is time to wake up and start study. So I will teach you physics, and there are two books of physics. I hope that you all have the books of physics. If you don't have, so you can download it on your mobile. And the first chapter, in the first book you have 8 chapters. The first chapter of the physics is chapter 1, physical world. So in this chapter, this is the introductory chapter, and we will study the basic things in this chapter. Before we start this chapter, I will advise you to go through the 5 chapters of physics which we have studied in class 9. So you revise these 5 chapters, because these 5 chapters with the same name you have in class 11 syllabus. That were motion, force and laws of motion, gravitation, work and energy, and sound. With these names you again have the same 5 chapters in this class 11 syllabus in a very detailed way. So if you will revise these 5 chapters, so it will help you very much in understanding the concepts which will be do here in class 11. So let us start with the chapter 1, that is physical world. Now before we start this chapter, one thing we must know that being these students of science, we first know what is the definition of science. Because if anybody asks you the definition of science, you don't know, being the student of science, you will feel shame. So from where this word is originated, origin of this word, let us discuss what is the definition of this science word. Thereafter we will come to the physics. Okay, what is physics? So being a student of physics, if you don't know what is physics, from where this word physics is originated, it will be very same for you. So let us first discuss what is science, how can you define it, and from where it is originated. So actually science is originated from a Latin verb scientia. The meaning of this word its meaning is to know. So it is derived from a Latin verb scientia, which means to know. In Sanskrit, it is also derived from Sanskrit word that is Vigyan, and in Arabic word ilm. The meaning of these two words is same, that is knowledge. So it is the origin of this word science came from the Latin verb which means to know, and Sanskrit word gyan, Arabic word ilm. The meaning of these two words knowledge. Now we combine these literal meanings of the words, then how can we define the science? So science is what? Science is systematic attempt. It is what? It is systematic attempt. Attempt of what? Attempt, it is systematic attempt to understand nature and natural phenomena, not superficially but in as much depth and detail as possible, and applying the acquired knowledge to control, modify the experiment and the nature. So the science is what? Science is the systematic attempt to understand the nature and natural phenomena in as much depth and detail as possible, and apply the acquired knowledge to control and modify the experiment and nature. So this is the definition of the science in a literal way. Now coming to the next, that is, being a student of physics, you must know what is physics and from where this word physics is originated. Physics. What is physics? Origin and definition. So let us first discuss from where this word is originated, and thereafter we will discuss its definition. So this physics is originated from a Greek word that consists of 5 letters: phi, nu bar, sigma, iota and zeta. So this is the Greek word. These 5 letters are, this is phi, this is nu bar, this is sigma, it is iota and zeta. So the physics is originated from this Greek word that consists of 5 letters: phi, nu bar, sigma, iota and zeta. Now in our India it is originated from Sanskrit word that is bhautiki. So the physics is originated from these words, Greek word consisting of 5 letters, this, and the Sanskrit word bhautiki. Now how can we define physics? Actually physics is not a very small word. It is a very broad concept. It has a very wide definition. So, in a simple way, we can define it. Physics is a branch of science. It is a branch of science which deals with the study of basic laws of nature. Basic laws of nature. So it is a branch of science which deals with the study of basic law of nature and manifestation of these laws in the natural phenomena. Taking place around us. So in a simple way, we can say that physics is the study of the physical changes, physical phenomena taking place in the nature, and the laws governing these physical changes, physical phenomena, as well as the energy involved in these physical phenomena. So these were the two basic things, that is science and the physics, that were very important for us to know being these traits of science, that what is science and what is physics. Now we will discuss the next topic tomorrow. Okay, thank you.